What if I told you the future of gaming isn't tied to your desk, or even your living room? Portable PC gaming just leveled up, and 2025 is the year it changes everything. We're talking OLED screens, AI-powered performance, and battery life that actually lasts. But here's the real question. Which device should you buy, and what's coming next? Let's break it down. Portable gaming isn't new, Nintendo proved that decades ago. But PC gaming on the go? That's the revolution. In 2023, the Steam Deck made it possible. In 2024, the ROG Ally and Lenovo Legion Go made it mainstream. But 2025, this is the year portable PC gaming stops being a compromise. Today, we're covering the top 5 handheld PCs of 2025, and which one wins, OLED versus LCD, which screen tech is worth it, battery life secrets, how new chips are doubling playtime, cloud gaming's role, will it replace local hardware, upcoming devices you need to watch in 2025-2026. Stick around until the end, because the biggest surprise might change how you game forever. Let's start with the best of the best, the handhelds that are dominating 2025. Let's see what tests show, and here's the breakdown. Pros, 144Hz. OLED screen, detachable controllers, Ryzen Z2 Extreme. Cons, heavy, pricey, $829. Best for gamers who want console-level performance on the go. Pros, 80 Wh battery, ergonomic redesign, Xbox full screen experience. Cons, expensive $999. Windows quirks. Best for Windows loyalists who want the best specs. Pros, best battery life, gorgeous screen, SteamOS perfection. Cons, limited storage on base model. Best for Steam fans who want a no-fuss experience. Pros, pocket-sized, Ryzen AI9 HX370, AAA gaming in your palm. Cons, tiny screen, 6-inch, expensive for its size. Best for travelers who prioritize portability. Pros, 4K OLED option, Intel Core Ultra 9, premium build. Cons, $1,500+ price tag, overkill for most. Best for enthusiasts who want the absolute best. So which one should you buy? If you want the best all-rounder, the Lenovo Legion Go 2 is the winner. But if you're a Steam fan, the OLED deck is still the king of value. And if you want pocket-sized power, the GPD Win Mini is a game changer. OLED screens are everywhere in 2025, from the Steam Deck OLED to the Legion Go 2. But are they worth the hype? Let's break it down. OLED pros, deeper blacks, higher contrast, better colors, thinner and lighter than LCD. Lower power consumption, better battery life. OLED cons, risk of burn-in though rare in gaming, more expensive. LCD pros, no burn-in risk, brighter max brightness, better for outdoor use, cheaper. LCD cons, worse contrast and colors, thicker and heavier. Here's the verdict. If you game indoors or in low light, OLED is the way to go. But if you play outside or in bright rooms, LCD might still be better, especially with mini LED tech improving. Remember when 2 hours of battery life was considered good for a handheld? Yeah, those days are gone. In 2025, 80-12 hours is the new standard, thanks to 3 big breakthroughs: AMD Ryzen Z2, Extreme and Intel Panther Lake chips, 20% more efficient than last gen. AI-powered power management learns your gaming habits. Larger batteries without the bulk. ROG Ally X, 80 Wh battery versus 40 Wh in 2023. Thinner designs thanks to better cooling. OLED efficiency, 30% less power draw than LCD for dark scenes. Pro tip, if you want the best battery life, go for the Steam Deck OLED or ROG Ally X. But if you're a power user, the Legion Go 2's detachable controllers let you swap batteries on the fly. Cloud gaming was supposed to kill portable PCs, right? Well, not quite. Here's the reality in 2025. Pros of cloud gaming: no hardware limits, play Cyberpunk 2077 on a phone, instant access to games, no downloads. Cheaper upfront, no $1,000 device needed. Cons of cloud gaming: input lag still noticeable in fast-paced games, internet dependency, no signal, no gaming. Subscription costs add up over time. Cloud gaming is getting better, but it's not replacing local hardware yet. Instead, it's complementing it. Devices like the ROG Ally X are built for both. Local gaming when you have power, cloud gaming when you don't. The future, hybrid gaming. 2025 is just the beginning. Here's what's coming next, and it's wild. Valve's next Gen Steam Deck rumored, 4K OLED screen, DLSS 40 support, modular design. Release 2026 rumored. Apple's gaming handheld. Yes, really. M4 chip, iPad OS optimized for gaming, controller support. Release 2026 maybe. Intel's Panther Lake handheld. First dedicated handheld gaming chip. ZSS upscaling. Release early 2026. Sony's PSP successor. Finally, rumored to run Windows OLED screen, PS5 Remote Play. Release 2026, fingers crossed. The biggest trend? More competition. With Apple, Intel and Sony jumping in, prices will drop and innovation will skyrocket. The best part? You win. So what's the takeaway? Portable PC gaming in 2025 is faster, brighter and more versatile than ever. Whether you're Team Steam Deck, ROG Ally or Legion Go, there's never been a better time to game on the go. Here's your action plan. Pick your device, upgrade your screen, OLED, if you can afford it. Invest in a power bank for those long flights. Watch for cloud gaming, but don't rely on it yet. And most importantly, tell me in the comments, which handheld are you buying and what's the one feature you wish existed? If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more gaming tech deep dives, and I'll see you in the next one. Game on.